Entering Restricted Stock Unit RSU sales in H&R block. Are you navigating the complexities of reporting RSUs sales on your tax return? Understanding how to accurately report RSU sales is essential for ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and maximizing your tax benefits. In this guide, we'll explore the process of entering RSU sales in H&R block online. So let's get started. Access the link H&R block using the form 8949 to report taxes withheld. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand how form 8949 is used to report capital gains and losses, including those from RSU sales. Familiarize yourself with the concept of RSUs, since RSUs represents a form of compensation provided by your employer, typically in the form of company stock. When you sell RSUs, you may realize capital gains or losses which must be reported on your tax return. Review the filing options available for reporting RSU sales in H&R block online. Depending on your tax situation, you may choose H&R block premium account and employed online. Log into your H&R block online account using your credentials and then look for the option to add new investment transaction or sales of securities. Then enter the details of your RSU sales, including the date of sale, proceeds from the sales, and cost basis and everything else. And this was everything you needed to know about entering Restricted Stock Unit RSU sales in H&R block.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.